In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing projects and tasks, and learning how to create forms within Trello can make your workflow even more efficient. We'll guide you step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and replicate this process on your own Trello boards. First, shift your gaze to the top right corner of your Trello board. You'll notice a small rocket ship icon nestled among the other tools. This is your gateway to enhancing your Trello experience with power-ups, which are essentially plugins developed by third-party creators that add extra functionality to your boards. By clicking on this icon, we begin the process of enhancing your board. Once you click on the rocket ship icon, you'll see an option labeled Add Power-ups. Select this option. This is where you can search and find additional tools that can be integrated into your Trello to tailor it more closely to your specific needs. In the search bar, type in Forms by Blue Cat. This particular power-up is what we'll be using to create forms within Trello. Once you've found it, click on the Add button to integrate it into your workflow. Following this, you'll notice the Add button morphs into a Settings button. That's your cue to click and set up the power-up, which includes authorizing it for use on your board. After authorization is complete, a new shortcut button for Forms by Blue Cat will appear at the top right of your Trello board. This is the central hub from which you'll begin managing all your form-related tasks. Now comes the exciting part, creating your form. Click on this new shortcut button, then select Create Form. You'll find yourself in a user-friendly interface where you can design your form to suit your needs. Simply drag and drop the fields you require into your form. This could be anything from text input boxes to drop-down menus. Be sure to think about what information you need to collect and how best to facilitate that through your form fields. Once you've added all necessary fields and are satisfied with your form's layout and content, don't forget to save it. With your form saved, it's ready to be shared with others for input. Sharing the form is straightforward and ensures that you can gather information seamlessly from your team or clients. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created a form within Trello. This process not only enhances your ability to collect data, but also streamlines the way you manage projects, making your Trello boards an even more powerful tool for productivity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Trelloing.